Okay, so video has started and we are going to start the class already. So let us revise what we have learned in last classes. We have learned what? Inconsistent and consistent. So where it was inconsistent, consistent, if two equations are there, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, then the consistent has two equations. Actually consistent, that means what? If it is has a solution, if it will have a solution, then it is consistent, yes or no? Yes. So that means when it will have solution, for that the coefficient of x and y and the constant part, that c, they are in the relation. And what relation are there? What will be the relation? Okay, tell, don't frighten it and the camera. Now all are pin drop silent, okay, and they are all laughing. You all need to come on the camera and you will be visible on the YouTube or others platform, okay? Don't you want to come on the camera? Yes, obviously you should. So tell me Farah. Yes. Oh, Farah. It is not Farah, it is Farha. Okay, actually I have a student right now and that's name is Pallavi. But maybe when I am talking in English, but it is that accent has come and I always calling her as Pallavi. Okay, so maybe it's a Hindi accent. Okay, Pallavi. She is calling that, sir, I am not Pallavi, I am Pallavi. Okay, so now here tell me what are the relation? Yes, Machin? Coefficient. Tell me the coefficients relation. Just tell me the relations and let us move forward. Don't you remembered? Don't you have remembered when they will have solution? One solution. Consistent, there is two. Are there one solution and infinitely many solution? Infinite solution. For one solution, what will be the condition? Yes, a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Very good. And here infinitely many solution, all are equal. All are equal. That means a1 by a2, the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, they are all equal. Right now? Now here no solution, that means inconsistent. This is very important. Don't you know, this is very important actually. This topic is very important, consistent and inconsistent. And from here we are going to learn the method of solution. We have already learned the method of solution in last class, that is graphical method. Have you not learned? Graphical method we have learned. We are going to learn today the another methods, substitution method, cross multiplication method we are going to learn. Okay, so here, do you getting it? Yes. Okay, now inconsistent, that means it will be coincide. Oh sorry, not coincide, it will be parallel. Yes or no? It will be parallel. So if it is parallel, that means a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. And we have discussed these in last class thoroughly, why it is not, why it is this, why it is this, why it is this, and we have discussed that thoroughly with image, right? Now we have learned the solution of graphical method, but we are going to learn today the substitution method. So you have to practice this. Understood or not? So I have repeated because you have already learned it, that's why. It's just a recall part. Now let us moving on to the next part. And it is we are doing the simultaneous linear equation. Okay, and here it is exercise. Let us walk out. Wow. Let us work out 5.3 and page number. What is the page number there? 69. Number 1, let us solve the following simultaneous linear equations in two variables by the method of elimination. Check them graphically. Okay, so here what is method of elimination? That's we are going to learn. First of all, method of elimination. Let us take any two equations are there from your questions. Actually 1a, I am taking it 8x plus 5y minus 11 equals to 0 and 3x minus 4y and minus 10 equals to 0. So here what is the method of elimination? So here elimination, what is the meaning of elimination? Can you tell elimination? The word elimination meaning? Remove. So remove whom? So we need to remove, if from this equation, suppose in first equation x is removed from there, that means only y is there, then we can simply find the value of y. Yes or no? So that's why how to remove that one, how to eliminate that one, that's we are going to learn. So let us name it after the constant part that will be moving on to the right side. 8x plus 5y equals to 11. I have moved it on right side. Then 3x minus 4y equals to 10. First do in this way. So constant part will be on right side. Name as number 1. Is this visible on the camera? This portion? Okay, good. So are you on, this board is visible to all of you, no? So camera is not bothering you? No, it is not bothering you. Okay, good. So now look at there, how to remove x or y. We can remove x also, we can remove y also, right? But how? So there, look at there, there is, if we are removing y, there is 5 and there is 4. Okay, so if this maybe there is 5y, if there is 5y, then both of them will be cut down right now, but they are not 5, they are 4. Then we can make else. And what else we can make? We can make multiple of 5. So what is the multiple of 5? 20. Yes, and multiple of 4, that is also 20. So maybe the shortest process is that here just look at the coefficient of y. So here it will be multiplied with number 1 equation, and the coefficient of y of number 1 equation will be multiplied with 2. So here just interchange, that means 2's coefficient will be multiplied with 1 and 1's coefficient will be multiplied with 2. Understood or not? Here we are removing y, that's why. If we want to remove x, then here 3 will be multiplied with 1, 8 will be multiplied with 2. Okay, now here write down multiplying 1, write down in your copy with me, by 4 and 2 by 5, and then after multiplying, what we need to do? So just look at there. First we are going to multiply, we get. So if we are multiplying number 1 with 4, that will be multiplied with all of the numbers, all of the coefficient or all of the x, y or whatever they are, all will be multiplied right now. So 4 will be multiplied with 8 first. So 8 4s are 32. So 32x. 5 4s are 20. 20. Why? What happened? 20y. And then 11 4s are 44. Okay. Now there is 5 3s are 15x. And there is minus. So minus will be there and 5 4s are 20, and there is 5 10s are 50. Now look at there, here it is already plus and minus sign. That's why if we are adding, they will eliminate right now. So here we are adding it, we are adding these two. That means if we are adding it, they are eliminating. If it will get subtracted, that means if same sign will be there, plus and minus will not be there, same sign will be there. It can be both plus, it can be both minus, then we will subtract, understood? So here it is eliminated. Now here only x is there, we are adding 47x, and in right side it is 94. So here x will be what? Here we will write or equals to 94 by 47, and here it is 47 2s are 94. That means x equals to 2. Is this clear or all clear? Have you written? Now we have found x. We will put this value to any of the equation in 1 or into wherever I wish or wherever you wish. You are doing, that means wish. So where do you want to put? In 1 or in 2? So actually I have seen you in auto. Are you in their auto? No. Are you staying in hostel? Okay, so maybe other. So all are wearing masks, that's why it looks like similar. So there is, maybe Pravrani has same type of dress right now, so that's why it seems like that. Okay, so now let me write it here. So here putting x equals to 2 in 1. So we are putting in 1, no worry there. We get, so putting the value of x here, so 8 into x plus 5y equals to 11. So 8 into x 2, that means 16 plus 5y equals to 11. Is this visible to you? No, right now visible. So what we have done there, we have just multiplied with 2. Actually 2 is the value of x, that's why we have multiplied. 8 2s are 16 and 5 are there. So now 5y is 11 minus 16. So 11 minus 16 is there, that means here it will be 5y equals to 5. Now look at there, I have written correctly right now. Yes, it will be minus 5. Why? Yes, we are subtracting larger number from the smaller number, that's why. That's one case. Or you can say, if there are two numbers are there, suppose plus 23 or minus 27, they are just side by side. If they are there with different sign, they will be subtracted. If there are different side, they will be subtracted. If they are same sign, suppose if it is minus, they will be added. So if we are adding, it is 49, and what will be the sign? Minus. Sign will be minus. These are the basic things. Actually you have already done from class 6. Okay, so here we have got that it is y. Is this visible to the camera? Yes. So it is minus 5 by 5, that is minus 1. So x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 1. So therefore the required solution are or is x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 1, and it is our answer. But it is not end here. This question has asked more, And what is the more there? More thing. Yes, it's need to be checked by them graphically. That means we need to also solve in graphical method. So don't we know how to solve in graphical method? Do you know that? So that means we have already found the solution 5 2. Sorry, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Now can I rub it? Okay, I am rubbing from first part. This one is first part. First part is rubbed. Okay, now 8x plus 5y equals to 11. That was the equation, right? Now number one equation. If you are going to find the point from this equation, that means we need to express with respect to y or with respect to x. We can do anything, yes or no? So if you are going to represent it with respect to y, that means it is 5y will be 11 minus 8x, and y is equals to 11 minus 8x by 5. So let us find the values, the points actually. So here one value obviously will be 2 of x. That means 2 minus 1 will be there because we have already found that. So here just in blind eye, in your closed eyes, you just written 2 minus 1 will be there obviously and obviously. Yes or no? Put down and check. 16, 8 2s are 16, 16, 11 minus 16, that is minus 5 by 5, minus 1. Is it not coming? Yes, it is coming. So now 0, if I am going to put 0, 11 by 5, that means it is not the integer, that's why we can't take. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, now 8 3s are 24, it is not can be taken, but minus 3 can be taken. Minus 3 can be taken. If it is minus 3, x is minus 3, then what? Minus minus plus, 8 3s are 24, 24 and 11, 35, 24 and 11, 35, 35 divided by 5, 7. Okay, now find another value, for another value. Okay, 6, can it be 6? No. Can it be 6? 7, 5, 7, can it be 7? 7 8s are 56, 56 minus 11, 45. So it can be 7. Yes, if it is 7, then it is minus 9. Okay, so now we have found here these values, but next another equations are there. Another equation is 3x minus 4y equals to 10. So here minus 4y equals to 10 minus 3x, or 4y equals to 3x minus 10. So that means y equals to 3x minus 10 by 4. Understood? Yes or no? So now we are going to find the values again. So let us find it here. So here just again in blind eyes you can put 2 minus 1 there. Okay, so just check and put. So if you are taking 2, putting 2, that means what? It is 6. 6 minus 10 minus 4 by 4 it is minus 1, right now? Yes or no? Is there any doubt? No. So what are you doing like that? So everyone is thinking with one hand like that, okay? And she is thinking, that means she is in deep thinking. So if someone is thinking like that, that means they are in deep thinking. But if someone is thinking like that, that means it is deep and more deep thinking. Are you there at more deep thinking, Momita? Don't. Okay, now here if you putting the values. Let me put the value. What value can be put? 0, no. 1, no. -1, no. 2, can it be put 2? Yes, we have taken 2. -2, -2 can be put. If -2 is at the, it is 6 and -6 and -16, so -4. Okay. 3, no. 4, no. 4, can it be taken 4? No. 5, no. Can it be taken 5? 6, what is your name actually? Fatiha? Wajiha? Wadia. That means Wadia. Okay, Wadia, that means beautiful field. Sit down. Beautiful valley actually, Wadia. 6 can be taken. So 6, 18 minus 10. Okay, so 18 minus 10, it is 8, that is 2. Yes, we have taken the values, and let us put the values in a graph paper. So I don't have the graph paper, so I have drawn it, and x o x dash, and you need to do it in graph paper. Do you know that? You need to do it in the graph paper. Okay. So here y, o and y dash. Now today I have written correctly right now. Last day I was so dull in mathematics. Now I am grown up. They are laughing. Okay. Now here 2 minus 1. So here 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 point will be there. And this point is the point of intersection of that two line. So here -2 minus 4, -2 and -4. That means here it will be coming down here. So 2 minus 1, -2 minus 4, and there is -2 as 6 2. 6 2, here it will be 6, maybe it will be 2 there, or something. If it is 2, it is like that, maybe 6 2. Okay, so these will be joined. If it is joined, now another, let us take the -3 minus 7, -3. It is -3. If it is -2, so it will be -3 and -7. So it will be like that. Okay. Oh, -3 and 7 only. Sorry. -3 and 7 plus 7. Plus 7 minus 3, 7. And 7 minus 9. 7, if it is 7, this one, -9 will be there. So joining these three. So here obviously they are intersecting, because when we have found the point, if there are common point, this common point, that means it will have solution in graphically. Understood now? So we have just checked this one in graphical method. So here this question will not be there in your exam if it is asking just only to solve in any method, or it will given to solve in elimination method or graphical method or cross multiplication method, or there is another methods are there, substitution method. Okay, so it will be given which process it is asking. Understood or not? Clear or not clear? Okay. So but these questions are given at your book, because it is saying that these relation, actually there are the relation between the graph and also in the doing calculation in there. Okay, so elimination, whatever the methods are there, we can find this solution in graphical method always. We can find in any method always. Okay, now have you understood elimination method? Clear? Now look at number 2. To eliminate y, what number is multiplied with the equation 7x minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0? Then add to the equation this. So it is simple. It is asking number 2. Read the number 2, and what is remaining in number 1b, that will you do at your home. So when the school will be closed? When the school will be closed? And it will be opened on when? On which day it will be opened? Don't you know that? Or don't know? but you know when it will be closed, you know. So then we are having maybe one day, maybe coming Monday. On that coming Monday, we will do lots of questions. Maybe we will cover all the processes of this chapter. Then all remaining chapter will be homework for you at home. Okay. C is very sad. Yeah. Now look at number 2. To eliminate y, what number will be multiplied with 7x minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0? And there is another equation, 15y plus 3. So it is asking that to eliminate y, we are going to eliminate y. To eliminate y, here this number one equation will be multiplied with which number? Because if it is just only multiplying this equation 1, then which number we should multiply to be equal to 15? Because if it is 5, we need to make equal to 15, then it will eliminate y. Yes or no? Yes or no? So here we just going to multiply this number 1 only 3. If we are going to multiply it only 3, then it is 5 3s are 15. After multiplying 15, it is minus and plus, just we need to add. It is asking just to only this question that what number should be multiplied with the equation number 1 equation. So what number? 3. So here just you need to write there in short here 3 should be, therefore 3 should be multiplied with 7x minus 5y plus 2 equals to 0, and then added to 2x plus 15y plus 3 equals to 0 to eliminate y. Understood? Now read the number 3 question. Okay, now can I rub it? Okay, I am waiting 30 more seconds. This class is up to what? 8:20, that means up to 9:10. Have you understood? So is this visual to you from the last bench? So there is many space out there. Why you all are sitting on there? Last 3 benches actually. You can come here. Oh, that's your favorite place. So क्या है कि वादियाँ देखना चाहते हो इसलिए ये वादिया do you want to look at the वादिया? That's why. Okay, so rubbing it. Okay, now let us do number 3. Number 3, it is simply asking 2 equations are there. 4x minus 3y equals to 16 and 6x plus 5y equals to 62. Here it is asking by which number we should multiply the equation 1 and equation 2 to equal the coefficient of x. To equal the coefficient of x. So we know how to eliminate the coefficient x. That's why we need to equal the coefficient of x. For that, if number 1 will be multiplied with 6 and number 2 will be multiplied with 4, that is enough. That is enough right now. So here what we need to write here, therefore 4x minus 3y equals to 16 will be multiplied by 6 and 6x plus 5y equals to 62 will be multiplied by 4 okay, to get the coefficient of x equal clear? Is this clear to all of you? So it is all clear, no dandruff will be there. Who is fasting today? Who is fasting today? Farha, you, 3 and everyone. Who is fasting today? Okay, don't be frightened. Raise your hand. Why is that? I am asking you. That's okay. So during this fasting time, is your study going normal? Normal, na? Okay, actually in this fasting period, I think that study we will get more study time. Why? Because there is nothing to do. Time is wasted to eat. When we are eating, time is wasted or not? So there is nothing to do. Not to worry. We are not eating anything. Just go there and take bath and read or go to sleep or whatever, do anything. After that, after you have just taken your iftar, maybe then the suffering is coming. Then your body will pain, right now? And then you will feel tired and you will go to sleep early. Okay, after some meal come to your stomach, then the machine will start working, na? Throughout the days the machine is stopped. They are not having fuel to walk. But when they are having fuel, they will start automatically. They will say, now we are having fuel. Go, start walking. And they are walking very fastly. So they are making calories then. They are making calories, actually very much amount of calories. But at that time, we have just eating like that. We have never eaten before, okay? We are hungry for maybe 1,000 years. In iftar time, we usually eating like that. Don't eat like that, okay? Just eat slowly. Drink water slowly, okay? And eat throughout the Isha namaz, okay? Before the namaz, you will eat. Complete the iftar between that times. It is 5:55 maybe is there iftar time, or 5:56 there, okay? Complete from that time to 8. Complete your meal. But we are not having time. We are just completed in 5 minutes. All finished. Right now? In 5 minutes it is all finished. And one thing is there. Try to eat salt, actually salt type of things are there. That's why sarbat is most important thing. Right now? So added the salt in there and also the ginger. Okay? So ginger sarbat. It's actually ginger juice, not only the ginger juice, just flavor of the ginger, okay? Then it will be beneficial. Or you can eat the ginger while you're just breaking your fast, okay? That is beneficial for your health. So now I don't know that. Actually, when I was your age, I used to do that already. But I had an auntie. Oops, she was very strict about everything, and about also eating, how to eat, how to sit, how to go, how to talk, how to eat. Oops. Okay, but actually I have learned many things from her. Actually, she was a born leader. She is leading right now also. She is leading her home, or she is leading everyone at her family. So maybe in our India, there we have often see that a girl, a woman is leading a home. Mostly in most of the houses, the male is leading the home right now. But she was our leader. Actually, we used to call her as Supreme Court. Judgment has come. সুপ্রিম কোর্ট বলে দিয়েছে একবার, আর কিচ্ছু না, আর কারো কাছে কিচ্ছু হবে না। Now let us do that for number 4. Number 4, it is asking, there are the many equations are there. Number 4's, number 1, number 2, number 3 you can do in elimination method. Can't you do? Yes. Can't you do? Look at number 4. Number 4's 4. X by 2. Actually, this is completed in your school. Yes or no? So that means it is repeating. So you have to do. You can do it. So let's try. Let's solve this. Solve this by elimination method. How to? We are having 4-minute time. In 4 minutes we need to solve. Are you not doing, Farha? You are not doing. How to do? Anyone? Who is doing? You are doing, Samima? You are doing? Minus? Minus 3 in right side. Okay, sorry. Okay. Do. Where is your home, Wajia? Oh, it is not Wajia, it is Wadia. Where is your home? Domkol. Sit down, sit down. Okay, now how to do? So this one we can here add these two. So here it is 6 is the LCM. Here it will be 3x, here it will be 2y, and here it is 8. Now after that it is 3x plus 2y equals to 8 6 are 48. Now here it is now represented like this, so it will be easier to do. Now here you can do this also. 4 is there, 5x minus 12y equals to minus 3. That means 5x minus 12y equals to minus 12. Which one do you want to eliminate, x or y? Why? If you want to eliminate y, no problem in there, eliminate. So if you want to eliminate this, so multiply it with 6. So here this will be multiplied with just only 1. So here by multiplying, okay, multiplying 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 2 by 1, we get what we get. So multiplying with 6, 6 3s are 18, so it is multiplying with 6, so 6 and 3s are 18 and 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Is there any doubt, anyone? Do you have any doubt? 48 and 6 multiplied that one, so it is 6 8s are 48, and 24, 28, 288. Next one, here we are multiplying with 1, so no worry with there. We will keep it what it is there. Yes? We get. We get. Okay. Now it is okay. Now here it is 12y and 12y will be cut. 18 and 5 is 23. Calculation is coming fast. Here it is 6, 7, 276. And now x is 276 by 23. That means 23 ones are 23 and 23 twos are. So therefore x value is 12. Putting the value of x to any of the equation. Putting the value in number 2. Putting x equals to 12 in number 2. We get. So 5 into 12 minus 12y equals to minus 12. So 5 into 12, that is 60, minus 12y minus 12. So minus 12y equals to minus 12 minus 60. So 60 and 12, they are same, they are having same sign. So it will be added. So if we are adding, it will be minus 72. So here minus minus is cut down, y is 72 by 12. So 12 6 are 6 12s are 72. So x value is 12 and y's value is 6. Therefore the required solution is, are x equals to 12 and y equals to 6. Is this clear to all of you? Okay, and this is the last. We have just over the time. No problem in there. Try all of the questions in this exercise 5.3. What you will get, which one you are having problem, I will do in the next class. Okay, then we are moving to the next process, elimination and whatever the substitution are there. If I am coming on Monday, it is assigned on Monday maybe. Okay, so let's stop the recording. Is this not Wadia?